On January 30, India paid homage to Father of the Nation, Mahatma Gandhi, on his which death anniversary? The options are given below. The right answer is 75. Which country won the Men's Hockey World Cup 2023 in Bhubaneswar? Options are France, Australia, Belgium, Germany. The right answer is Germany. Who has assumed charge as the new Vice Chief of the Indian Air Force? Options are Air Marshal A.P. Singh, Air Marshal V.R. Chaudhary, Air Marshal Sandeep Singh, Air Marshal H.S. Arora. The right answer is Air Marshal A.P. Singh. Vyam Raksham is the motto of which armed force? Options are Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, Indian Coast Guard. The right option is option D, Indian Coast Guard. Which union minister issued orders to block over 100 betting and loan lending Chinese apps? Options are Ministry of External Affairs, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Electronics and IT. Ministry of Electronics and IT. As per the Union Budget 2023, what is the per capita income in India as of date? The options are given below. The right option is 1.97 lakh per annum. Which state or UT recently notified directions to charge groundwater extractions by industries and other establishment? Options are New Delhi, Punjab, Bihar, West Bengal. Punjab. As per the recent guidelines of 2023, what is the minimum download speed of broadband in India? Options are given below. The right option is option C, 2 Mbps. Which state inaugurated the MV Ganga Bihar floating restaurant? Options are Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Uttarakhand. The right option is option A, Bihar. Under the FAME scheme, which state topped the list of states buying electrical vehicles? Options are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan. The right option is option B, Maharashtra. Which country announced India as the theme country at its 2025 International Book Fair? Options are Sweden, Spain, Germany, Italy. The right option is option B, Spain. Bani Jairam, who passed away recently, was associated with which profession? Options are politician, sportsperson, singer, scientist. The right option is singer. Which company launched India's first hydrogen internal combustion engine technology? Options are Tata Motors, Reliance Industries, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Mahindra and Mahindra. The right option is Reliance Industries. As per a UNICEF report, which country stole more cryptocurrency asset to support its ballistic missile and weapon of mass destruction programs? Options are North Korea, USA, Australia, China. The right option is option A, North Korea. Yuva Sangam initiative aims to connect the youth of which region to the rest of India? Options are border region, northeast region, coastal region, hilly region. Northeast region. As per FAO recent database, which country ranked first in milk production across the world? Options are Brazil, India, China, Argentina. The right option is India. Which neighboring country of India partnered with Russia for developing nuclear power? Options are Sri Lanka, Nepal, Myanmar, Bangladesh. The right option is option C, Myanmar. Which state or UT is the host of India's first frozen lake marathon? Options are Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Ladakh, Uttarakhand. The right option is Ladakh. Thank you.